Namaste. Hello everyone. My name is Gargi Ghosh. I'm student of Pushkin State Russian Language Institute. So in this video I will be saying how yoga plays important role in my life or how yoga impacts positive effects in my life. I have been associated with yoga since 4 years ago, and still now I continue with yoga with one motto, which is the beautiful motto I feel ever in my life is yoga is the journey of self through the self to the self. So we in this busy world, we are connected to every corner of the world. We are connected to our parents via internet. We are connected to our teachers via internet. We are connected to our every friend, to everyone, to every process which we want. We are connected. But what we feel in our day-to-day lives is to connect to ourself, to connect to our inner peace of mind, and to connect to our inner mind, which bears the feelings of humanity, sympathy, and many more feelings like that. Yoga helped me to recognize the inner peace within myself, the most important thing which we fail to recognize in our day-to-day lives, and the inner mind which every person bears. And it helped me to boost that inner mind to new person. Secondly, yoga is a meditative tool or like medicine. With 30 minutes, every day's 30 minutes practice of yoga helps me to govern the other 23 hours and 30 minutes where I spend the rest of the hours with myself. And it helped me to govern my body, my mind, my feelings, and it helped me to tackle with the problems. And it's a beautiful process. Who gets the taste of the yoga, I think so, never leaves. Thirdly, which I felt is that being a student in foreign land, we faced a lot of problems. We have been introduced to new cultures. We have faced problem in acclimatizing with the climates, adapting ourselves to the new cultures, new cuisines, new study environments. But what one thing kept us in stability is that yoga. Yoga helped us to maintain that peace of mind where we have faced problem in the initial stages of our lives. Fourthly, what I feel is that in our day-to-day life, we know every process. We know how to cook foods. We know how to wash our clothes. We can visualize the things, everything. But what we cannot see is that the process of breathing. Through yoga helped me to notice this beautiful process of breathing. This beautiful process which is the essence of life, through which we are alive. This beautiful process through which we are alive, and it helps us to maintain our beautiful mind, everyday's activities we fail to recognize. So in this process of a journey, yoga plays an important role. And last but not the least is that we know that yoga is originated in India. So practicing this form, this process of harmony, I feel that in some way I'm interconnected with my nation in foreign land. Last but not the least, here we are, when we are in this peaceful condition where I'm sitting and making this video, where I can every day spend some minutes where I can dedicate some of my hours to yoga. But there are some people who are not even of my nation, who are not even getting this proper food. To them, the peace of mind is getting proper meal. A proper meal is to them a peace. So my message is to them also. If I am honored any of the position of this context of this competition, I can utilize this money in helping my people of the nation who has been affected by this COVID-19 or who has been affected by the disastrous effect of Amphan. With this feeling, with this message, I end up my video. Thank you everyone. Take care. Jai Hind.